Hey, I'm Jeremy, your host. This is a Lingo Yes. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say good luck in Chinese. Good is 好, luck, 运气. Well, actually, you can say good luck into 好运, 好运. That's very accurate. But sometimes we add 祝你好运, 祝你好运, like I wish you good luck in the front of 好运, so make it more complete. Let me give you one example. So, your friend, he's going to take an examination tomorrow, right? You said to him, good luck, good luck, 祝你好运. Although there's no wish you, right? But it's better to say 祝你好运. But if you're really in a hurry, right? You can just simply say 好运, 好运. Another example, your friend is going to join a competition and you said to them, good luck, good luck, 好运, 好运, 祝你好运, 祝你好运. So it's very easy and very simple. One last example, if somebody gonna join an adventure, right? It's gonna travel around the world or going to a very far away place, you say to them, good luck, good luck. This time you can translate into 祝你好运, 祝你好运. Alright, next time, instead of saying good luck to them, try to say 好运, 好运, or 祝你好运, 祝你好运. 我是 Jeremy， 关注 Lingo Yes， 我们下期会。